This short video tutorial contains instructions on how to download Microsoft Project software. I told you in the intro video that this software can be quite useful for generating your work breakdown structure, and then based on that, once you enter all the tasks in your work breakdown structure, you can quickly generate your Gantt chart and also your networking diagram. So the instructions on how to download it are available here. One second. It's in the individual project management plan module. Now, unfortunately, those instructions keep changing, and to be honest, I'm kind of irritated with this myself because every semester I have to re-upload instructions. Before uploading those instructions, I ask our IT staff whether the instructions are still the same. They told me they're the same, but apparently there are some discrepancies in the interface. And again, to be honest, it drives me insane. They keep changing the website, the interface, the instructions keep changing. But the essence is the same. So just as the instructions say, I will go ahead and open that link. So let me download the PDF version. I'll just save it to my desktop. So I'll go ahead and follow that link. Now you need to make sure that you're signed in with your Murray State University email account. Sometimes you may have another account that is your personal, or maybe something that you're using for your work. So let me show you. When I go to my account, I'm already logged in, so I'll go and I'm logged in with my Murray State account. So I'll go ahead and sign out. After I sign out, I'll try to sign in again. As you can see, I have two accounts. So I'll go ahead and select the one affiliated with Murray State. So I'll enter my password. I will not stay signed in for now. So when I open it, I will go ahead and visit the portal. Just as the instructions say, I'll go to the portal, and here there is an option for accessing student benefits. So I click on Explore, and then when I click on See All Software, I'll search for Microsoft Project. So there are two versions, 2016 and 2019. To be honest with you, whenever I try to install Microsoft Project software, I always run into an issue where the installation of Microsoft Project is not compatible with my existing Office installation. So sometimes it's like 32-bit versus 64-bit. Sometimes it's discrepancy at the version level. Since Microsoft Project relies on Microsoft Office installation files, it has to be compatible. So I'm not going to give you any instructions here. I'll just let you figure out which one works for you. Maybe try 2019. If it doesn't work, try 2016. And if that fails, or if it doesn't fail, you just don't want to mess with your existing Microsoft Office installation because you're worried that there will be a conflict down the road, this is what I suggest. There is a free alternative to Microsoft Project software. It's called Project Libre. I think that's how it's pronounced. It has all the features that you need for your individual project in this class. So it will allow you to enter your tasks, your work items into work breakdown structure, and then generate Gantt chart and a networking diagram based on your work breakdown structure. That's all you need for your individual project in this class. Again, the product, this free product, is not as feature rich, but it does what it needs, what you need for your project management plan. Maybe it doesn't look as nice, but you can quickly generate PDFs and then just append them as an appendices with your project management submission at the end of the course. Now, another final comment that I would like to make is that once you download an installation file, either for 2019 or 2016 version, the install will be downloaded in the form of an ISO file. It's a DVD image file. So you can think of it as an archive. You just need to have appropriate software to open it. I think WinRAR will work. Any kind of archiver will work with that. It will open it. Because sometimes the system thinks it's some sort of DVD file and it starts launching, launching that file using some kind of media player or something like that. So just be mindful of that. And also when you click on the install, it will give you a license key. So make sure you copy and save it somewhere so that you don't lose it once the system prompts you to enter it. So that's it. Thank you for listening to this short tutorial.